Welcome back, tool fans. Today's lineup is packed with brand new gear from Milwaukee, DeWalt, Flex, and Ryobi. From all new chainsaws and polishers to next-level mowers and smart inspection tech. Every single one brings something new to the table, and the last one might just surprise you. Let's check them out. DeWalt FlexVolt Chainsaws. Let's kick things off with DeWalt, because they just made a big splash at this year's Equip Expo. The company revealed two brand new 60-volt FlexVolt top-handle chainsaws built for serious pros. The DCCS674X2 with a 14-inch bar, and the DCCS673X1 with a 12-inch bar. Both chainsaws feature high-efficiency brushless motors and integrated Tool Connect technology for smart performance tracking. They're purpose-built for professional arborists, tree care specialists, and anyone who needs gas-like power without the maintenance. The 14-inch model delivers an impressive 2.42 peak horsepower with a chain speed of 23 meters per second, and DeWalt claims it cuts 35% faster than a 35 cubic centimeters gas chainsaw. That's serious performance for a cordless tool. You'll get up to 160 cuts per charge when using the 9.0Ah battery, and it's all built into a rugged cast magnesium gear case. There's also an adjustable oiler, LED dashboard, and a convenient D-ring harness attachment for climbing work. Now, the 12-inch version is even more compact, about 22% smaller, but surprisingly, it packs more power at 3.42 peak horsepower. That's a big punch in a small package. The 14-inch model is already available at ohiopowertool.com for $829 in a full kit that includes two 9Ah batteries and a charger. The 12-inch compact model was just announced, and pricing is still to come, but it's expected to land soon. Ryobi 40 VHP Self-Propelled Mowers. Now let's switch gears to Ryobi, who's stepping up their lawn care game. The brand just announced two new 40-volt HP brushless 20-inch self-propelled mowers, the LM07 and the LM08. Both models claim to deliver the same power as a 150 cubic centimeters gas mower, but without the noise, fumes, or pull cords. The LM07 is your standard single-blade version with a 20-inch cutting deck, rear-wheel drive self-propulsion, and 7-position height adjustments ranging from 1 to 4 inches. You can expect up to 45 minutes of runtime with the included 6Ah battery, plenty to mow about half an acre. It also folds up for easy vertical storage, features pass-through bag removal, and includes 3-in-1 functionality for mulching, bagging, or side discharge. The LM08, on the other hand, upgrades to Ryobi's crosscut multi-blade system, a dual-blade setup that slices grass into finer clippings. That means better mulching, more even side discharge, and up to 75% more efficient bagging compared to many competitors. With an 8Ah battery, you'll get around 55 minutes of runtime, still ideal for roughly half an acre. Both models hit stores this December. The LM07 will sell as a bare tool for $379 or as a kit with a 6Ah battery for $459. The LM08 multi-blade model comes as a kit with an 8Ah battery for $499. Ryobi's continuing to push battery-powered performance forward, and these mowers are perfect for homeowners wanting gas-level cutting power in a clean, quiet package. Milwaukee M12 Autoshot Borescope. Milwaukee is also bringing something innovative this season, the brand new M12 Autoshot Borescope with Wi-Fi file sharing. This is a diagnostic tool built for pros who need to inspect engines, walls, or tight spaces and share their findings fast. What's special here is that you can now send photos and videos directly from the tool via Wi-Fi, straight to your service manager or your customer, without needing a phone or computer. It features a 5.5-inch HD touchscreen display with anti-glare coating, and you can pinch to zoom, rotate images, and even edit directly on the screen. Add arrows, text notes, or audio comments, and trim your video clips right from the device. The 5mm dual camera head provides both front and side views, and it's attached to a 5-foot flexible cable for excellent reach. Milwaukee also added heat-sense temperature alert technology, which warns you when you're too close to a hot surface and automatically shuts down to protect the cable. The kit includes an SD card, CP 2.0 battery, charger, and carrying case, all for $1,499, and it's set to launch in November 2025. For mechanics, inspectors, or technicians who need to share findings quickly and clearly, this is one of Milwaukee's smartest inspection tools yet. DeWalt 20V Max Plastic Tubing Cutter. Back to DeWalt for another niche but incredibly useful addition. the new DC-180B20V Max plastic tubing cutter. If you've ever had to cut PVC or plastic tubing cleanly and quickly, you'll appreciate this tool. It's designed to slice through 2-inch Schedule 80 PVC in about 3 seconds. That's up to 3 times faster than a manual ratcheting cutter. You can choose between automatic or manual cutting modes, depending on how much control you need. It features an integrated LED light for better visibility, a balanced D-handle grip for comfort, and a stainless steel blade for rust resistance. You'll get around 400 cuts per charge using a 2Ah battery, and every cut comes out smooth and burr-free. At around $239 as a bare tool, it's a great pickup for plumbers, electricians, and maintenance crews already in the DeWalt ecosystem. Flex 120V Corded Polishers. Finally, Flex has answered a big request from their fans: corded versions of their popular 24-volt polishers. These new 120-volt models, the FC3311 Rotary, FC3321 Random Orbital, and FC3401 Gear-Driven Orbital, deliver the exact same performance as the cordless versions, but now with unlimited runtime. No swapping batteries, no waiting on charges, and the same top-tier Flex engineering. The FC3311 Rotary is the powerhouse of the trio, spinning up to 1,800 revolutions per minute for aggressive paint correction and defect removal. It's perfect for deep scratches, oxidation, or heavy-duty cutting work. The FC3321 Random Orbital is your finisher, offering 8,700 OPM with a 15mm throw for hologram-free polishing and a showroom-quality finish. It's beginner-friendly but delivers professional results. And right in the middle, the FC3401 Gear-Driven Orbital blends both worlds. Forced rotation for serious correction power, with the control and safety of dual action. When you're working on a full paint correction job, that constant speed technology and uninterrupted corded power make all the difference. Flex's new 120-volt line will be available soon at flexpowertools.com, offering pro-grade performance at a lower price point than their cordless lineup. DeWalt FlexVolt Pole Saws. And DeWalt wasn't done there. They also introduced 2 new 60-volt FlexVolt pole saws, the DCCS673X2 fixed model and the DCCS675X2 telescoping version. The fixed model features a 95-inch shaft, giving you just under 8 feet of reach, and it delivers 25% more power than a typical 36 cubic centimeters gas pole saw. It's engineered for durability with a magnesium gear case, adjustable oiling, lateral chain tensioning, and a captured bar nut, so you're not losing parts up in the tree. It even includes a sturdy metal hook for pulling down cut branches and a clear LED display for quick system checks. The telescoping model extends to a full 160 inches, giving you over 13 feet of total reach, ideal for higher limbs without a ladder. That's the main difference between the 2 models, but both are built for professional tree work. The telescoping version is available now as a kit for $989, including a 15Ah battery and charger. The fixed model will arrive a bit later, likely at a slightly lower price point. These tools are rugged, powerful, and made to make tree maintenance safer and faster for the working pro.